What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Faye Barbie here, back at again with another video for you guys. And as you guys can tell by the title of this video, your girl's back at again with another wig install video. And today I'm going to be installing a wig for you guys. You guys are going to be watching me install a wig. As you guys can also tell by the title of this video is sponsored by Asteria hair. Asteria, it's one of those. This video is sponsored by them, and I want to thank them so much for reaching out to me and wanting me to promote their hair, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing in this video. So they was nice and kind to send me this 26-inch water wave hair. This is also not a regular lace, this is an HD lace, and they sent me this hair in 250 density. I have not gotten no wig and no density that high. Usually my wigs be at 180, but today we got 250, so we're gonna see how that's gonna be looking on me. So this is their packaging. Their packaging is actually very unique. It's green and gold. Inside we have some goodies in here. Okay, so first things first, they have a hair care booklet, which is actually very useful for the ones that don't know how to take care of a wig, or just want to know how to take care of your wigs and have them last longer, or probably if you want to, you know, this booklet is for you. The next thing they sent me is some wig caps per usual. They also sent me some lashes. These lashes actually look good. And they also sent me, I think it's a headband or a scarf, I'm not sure. It's a headband. So, and they also sent me a wig band. This is most definitely like different than my other wig bands, because this one has a different like material, but this is the wig band. Last time I tried some water wave hair was like last year, a while ago, so I'm actually super excited to. So yeah, this is the wig. This is the inside of the wig. It looks nice. It's also pre-plucked as well. I want to thank them for that. Yeah, this is the wig and all the combs inside. Y'all, this hair feels amazing. Like, look at this. Y'all, Asteria hair most definitely came through. This hair feels great. Passing my fingers through it feels great, and this hair is actually super soft. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Before we hop straight into this video, make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the post notification bell so you won't miss out on any videos like this. And let's hop straight into this video.
I tell her she wanna break into work and she get a perk. You make me so. You make me so. You make me so.
Your girl is literally almost done with her hair. I just got doing my edges. Y'all know I'm not the best at doing edges. Like, it takes me like 10 minutes to get these edges down, but I finally got them down, put the wig band on, and now I'm about to start styling my hair. I'm gonna start going in with this wax. And y'all, I most definitely recommend this wax. Like, I got this from my local beauty supply store and it worked perfect. Like, it works so good. It's my hair laid, so if y'all want your hair laid like mine, I recommend it. But right now I'm about to lay this down and we're gonna be close to finishing.
Brian Little.
so this is the finished product, and I love this hair so much. As y'all can see, my fingers go through this hair smoothly. Like, it's my fingers not getting stuck, nothing. Like, this hair is super soft, and I love this hair. I love the density of this hair. Like, it's giving. Like, so yeah, I want to thank Asteria hair for sending me this hair. I love this hair so much. I'll definitely give it a 10 out of 10. If you guys want the same wig that I have in my hair right now, the link to this hair will be in the link in the description box down below, along with my coupon code. So if you guys want some money off, along with the link of this hair, once again, and their socials, their website, Instagram, all of that. So check my description box. But I'm about to close the video off here. I hope you guys enjoyed. You guys don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also hit the post notification bell so you won't miss out on any videos like this. And love y'all. Stay safe. Peace out. Bye. See you on the next video.
How much she love me do.